All right, guys, in today's video, I am going to be showing you the #1 way to improve your YouTube thumbnails. Now, what I'm about to show you is AI. It's all brand new technology. This stuff here is going to change everything as we know it. And the best part about this is I do not have many followers at all, so most likely nobody's gonna watch this video. But if you did make it to this video, trust me, you guys, this is gonna improve your YouTube thumbnails 10 times what they were. Before I jump into this video though, you guys, if you could, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me and don't forget to subscribe. The subscribing part can wait till the end of the video. Let me know if you like this video. Now, first thing is first, what we're gonna do here is you wanna go over to ChatGPT and you can find that on Google. Go to Google, type in ChatGPT, and basically it's gonna come up as this right here, chat.openai.com. And you do have to sign up, but it's pretty quick. It's nice and simple. You just put in your email. They give you like a confirmation thing and it's like, boom, ready to go. All right, so let's say you already signed up. You're good to go. You're on ChatGPT. Now, what you want to do is come down to the box here. Now, let's say, for example, you're playing a zombie game. So we're going to come down to the chat box here and we are going to say, describe in adjectives, zombie video game. We're just gonna leave out the first person part. And basically in real time here, it's gonna come up with something. Okay, so check it out. It gave us a couple words, not a whole lot. So now we're gonna come down to the chat box and again, we're gonna say, now describe in nouns and verbs. And this AI is pretty smart. It remembers what you said in the previous conversation, so it's going off of what I already said. Now check it out here, you guys. We got a bunch of nouns and a bunch of verbs. So the idea with ChatGPT is that you kind of want to input things that get it to describe the video game that you might be playing. Okay, so now is where it gets fun. So now you have words like descriptive words, atmospheric, intense, suspenseful, gruesome. We got city streets, abandoned buildings, laboratories. We got all kinds of description words for what could be our zombie video game that we're playing. So now what you want to do, now that you have some descriptive words here, you want to take them, copy them, and now you want to go over to Discord, and here we're going to be using another AI called MidJourney. Now this one does cost quite a bit of money to have per year, but this thing is an absolute game changer, you guys. We're basically in a live lobby right now where we can see other people actively creating pictures off of AI. Now, in order to use MidJourney, like in order to know the ins and outs, I'm not gonna explain that in this video. We're gonna keep it short and simple here. But basically, you come into MidJourney and you hit /imagine, right? So you're definitely gonna have to watch a different video to figure out how to work MidJourney if you're not sure. But this is the idea behind it. Now you're gonna take your words that you already copied over on ChatGPT and you're gonna post them down here. But before you hit enter and you want to say something like create a zombie, create a first person shooter zombie game and put a comma and then you'll have all these description words. Now if you remember, we did have a couple other words here, city streets, abandoned buildings, laboratories. Let's go like this. We're gonna add all of this stuff, actually. I'm just gonna add all of this stuff and we're gonna see what happens. All right, so we're back in MidJourney, hit comma. We're gonna paste, and I know I got a bunch of stuff I gotta delete in there too because I copied some of that title and stuff. All right, guys, so before I go ahead and hit enter here, we're basically telling this thing to create us a first-person shooter zombie game that's creepy, atmospheric, intense, blah, blah, blah. Now we're gonna go ahead, hit enter, and we're gonna see what this thing comes up with. Oh, look it, we got a banned word. The word gory is banned. They don't like that word, huh? All right, fair enough, fair enough. We'll try that again. Let's take out the word gory. Apparently they don't like that. All right, let's try this again, guys. Let's hit enter and see what we got. Another bad word, gruesome, I suppose. All right, guys, we took out gory, we took out gruesome. Let's go ahead, hit enter, and see if this works. Ooh, look at that, it does work. So now it's gonna take maybe 2-3 minutes, this thing's gonna generate a couple pictures based on these words that we put in there, and we're gonna see what it gives us. All right, here we go, guys. 62%, as you can tell. Oh, it must have just finished here. Scroll down. Yep, there it is. Now, here's the thing, you guys. This looks pretty crazy, right? It came up with this just off of a couple words. Now, you can enter these exact same words as many times as you can think of, and it will generate a new picture every single time. It's honestly mind-blowing. Now, for example, let's say that we want to use picture number 4 down in the corner here. We want to use this for our thumbnail, but we want to use a different version or something. We want to come down here, we can hit V4, and that's going to give us different variations of photo number 4. So now we can scroll down. Yep, and now it's loading up again here. Let's see what it gives us for different variations of that picture. All right, guys, there it is. Check out the different variations of that photo, man. The coolest thing about this is that these photos are completely AI generated. This isn't copyright. This is completely made up out of thin air. You cannot find these pictures right here anywhere else on the internet, and I just created them like that. This is just so cool, you guys. Look at that. You can't make this kind of thumbnail anywhere. I mean, to do this even on Photoshop would take hours. It's mind-blowing. Okay, so let's say we want to use picture number 2 here for our thumbnail. I guess I really don't know which one looks the best. It's kind of a toss-up for me between picture 2 and picture 4. I'm not really sure. So we want to use picture number 2. We're gonna upscale it, which is gonna make the resolution way bigger for us. All right, guys, that one took a couple minutes there to render, but check it out here. So we have our full-size photo, and man, that looks pretty good, especially for a thumbnail, you guys. You're not gonna find a thumbnail looking like this in game. It would be pretty hard to replicate. So I'm not going to go through and show you guys how to save the photo to your desktop and put it as your thumbnail. I'm sure you guys can figure that part out, but you get the idea, man. It is pretty crazy the things that you can do. The way that I see it, the possibilities are seriously endless. Whatever you can think and whatever you can enter into this thing, it can pop something out. Now check it out, guys. This is my channel currently. What is it? It's January 2nd, 2023. We just hit the new year, and this is what my thumbnails look like, and I've been using that AI, I swear to you. Now watch this though. You can see a total change. Look how good my thumbnails look right now, right? Now look. See the difference? These are all in-game thumbnails, and don't get me wrong, they don't look horrible. They don't look that bad. I'm still getting some decent views. But once you make it up to these AI generated thumbnails, my mind just starts going, you guys. Like, the possibilities are endless. You can make some super catchy thumbnails, and the coolest part is, like I said, look at how many subscribers I got. 685. How many people you think are gonna watch this video? Probably not too many. So the idea is to get into this as fast as possible and get the best thumbnails you possibly can before everybody else starts catching on to this. I'm gonna kind of use this video as a little time capsule too. That's why I put the date on here, January 2nd, 2023. We're gonna see how long it takes for these super crazy thumbnails to blow up, because I'm not gonna stop doing this. I'm gonna keep plugging away at this. I post every single day, sometimes multiple times a day. So with that all being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, let me know what you think down in the comments. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to subscribe.